Alright guys, welcome to another video, and this time I have brought a video for helium miners who are interested in HNT mining. So before getting into the video, I highly request you guys to please do subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, because most of you, like more than 90% of the viewers, doesn't subscribe to my channel, and it's not satisfying to me to make regular content for this channel. So I highly request you to subscribe to this channel, guys. So let's dive into the topic straight away. So I have recently reviewed a few websites that will give you a helium HNT miner absolutely free to host at your home or whatever location you have. The only kicker is that they take 80% of the earnings and give you the remaining 20%, and that's still not a bad deal. Honestly, it's free passive income anyways. But in today's video, I'm going to review a website that will give you a free helium HNT miner to host at your location, and they are gonna give you 70% of the earning from the mining, and they are gonna be taking only 30% from it. And that's not it. After so many consecutive days of mining with 100% uptime, they are gonna turn over that ownership of the helium miner to you officially. So before you try to apply for a free miner, you have to check and see if you can even earn more than the bare minimum, because if you're going to be a lone wolf, that's if your location has only one miner and no other miners around to witness, you are gonna make the bare minimum and they're not going to approve your application and give you a free miner. Like, just think, if there's nobody and there's only one miner, that's you, and it's just earning 1 or 2 HNT per month, then what will the company make from that? So if the company is taking 30% of the earnings, and assuming the price of HNT currently is 14.35, then the company will make only $4.3 off of 1 HNT, right? Basically, they are not gonna get a good return on investment. So before you try to apply for a free miner, just make sure there are few miners already mining in that area in which you are planning to set that miner. So in order to check the number of miners in your area, you have to come over here to the helium coverage map, and most of you should know this website well, but in any case, so guys, we are on helium coverage map right now, and I will show you how you have to check that if there are enough miners or not in your area, and what if there are no miners. So firstly, I will explain how a lone wolf works, right? So if there are no miners, when you search for your address here, whatever your address or location is, you have to search right here, right? So when you search your address right here and you see the map, so if we go to this area, this one, because it's the only one miner here, right? It's a lone wolf. so if we select this miner, if we click this miner and we go to view hotspot details, so we can see there are 0 recent witnesses, right? And we go to nearby hotspot, there are 0 nearby hotspots, right? Hotspots within 2 km of this hotspot, right? So if there is no hotspot within 2 km of range from your hotspot, it will show 0. So now when we go to reward section, and what we see, guys, is that it is mining only 0.07 HNT in last 24 hours and 1.60 HNT in last 30 days, and that's not a good amount for what you will be investing so much money, right? If you are if we assume that you are a company that's giving free HNT miners and is taking 30% only from those earnings, and when you see that the miner will be generating only 1.60 HNT per month, then you are not gonna be really happy to invest that amount into that location, right? So So if we just open a calculator, and if we see that if we are mining 1.60 HNT per month, and current price of HNT is 14.35, so when we multiply 1.60 by 14.35, we get $22.96, right? And if we get 30% of that amount, then we are getting $6.8. So if the company is getting $6.8 or $6.9 per month, for which they invested $500, then it's not gonna be a good investment, right? And they are not gonna be doing that deal with you, right? So that's what I want to show you guys for this one. And now when we go to, so now that we have seen a lone wolf, now we will see a wolf pack, right? So we'll select a miner from this location, because there are a lot of miners right here. And if we go to like this one, we click this one, and we go to view hotspot details for this miner. So firstly, we are seeing that there are 58 recent witnesses, right? That's a good number. And when we go to nearby hotspots, there are 26 nearby hotspots, right? That's a really good amount of hotspots, right? And when we go to rewards, so you can see it's mining 1.30 HNT in 24 hours and 120.59 HNT in 30 days, right? And that's a really good amount of HNTs mined right here. So if we do the math real quick, if we open calculator again, assuming the current price is, not assuming, it is actually okay, it's just dropped 2 cents. So if current price is $14.33, and if we multiply 120.59 into 14.33, we are getting $1,728, right? And if we take out 70% of that amount, so you will be getting $1,200 per month for free, guys, for absolutely free. That's really good, right? And if we see from that company's perspective, what will they be getting for this investment? So if we multiply 17428 into 30, and we get 30% of that, then they will be getting $518 per month. And that's a good amount, right? Because if they spend $500 per miner, their investment is just gone in 1 month, right? In the first month, they have break even in the first month for the investment, right? So that's a good deal. That's a good deal. That's a deal. They will happily give you the free miner. They will even give you couple of free miners, right? So that's what I want to show you guys, that the impact a location makes on this Helium mining network, right? And the company is gonna give you free miner, absolutely 100%. They are gonna give you a free miner if your location is like this, right? So that's the thing, guys. You have to choose a location precisely so that you can get a free miner. You can check your location by typing in your address right here. The site is explorer.helium.com. if you even if you search on Google Helium coverage map, you will get the site on the first page, right, on the first spot. So that's it for this part, guys. So now let's move on to the website on which you have to apply for a free miner. So let's go. Alright, so here we are on the site fairspot.host. Radically fair hotspot hosting. We send you a free Helium hotspot miner you keep 70% of the earnings with payouts every Friday. Unfortunately available only in the United States. As you can see, applications are currently closed as of May 27, 2021, 12 p.m. EST. We are awaiting more hotspot inventory that should be arriving shortly. Follow us on Twitter to be notified the moment we are open application. So the demand was so huge, guys. They have gone short of the hotspot inventory, but if you follow their Twitter handles, you're gonna be notified as soon as they have more Helium HNT miners in their inventory. So that's good, right? So you can see here, average host earnings of 30 days, last 30 days is 74.17 HNT. So on average, all the users who have been given free HNT miner are mining 74.17 HNT on average for 30 days, and current HNT price is 14.37. so you can do the math, right? If you are getting 70% of 74.17 HNT, that's amazing. That's huge opportunity for you guys, huge opportunity. And that's not it, guys, that's not it. I will also tell you one other thing that I have told you before also, but who we are supporters of the Helium network who care about building the network while giving hosts their fair share. Alright, that's amazing what we do. Unlike other hotspot sharing services that offer hosts as little as 15%, we decided to shake things up and pay hosts 70% of the hotspot earnings. OMG, that's really huge. That's amazing. That's like just out of the words for fairspot.host. They are just doing amazing work, guys. Why we do it? We believe that hosts are the most important members of the Helium ecosystem and deserve the majority of the rewards for the important service they provide. Yes, that's amazing. That's very respectful, guys. I feel good to read that. So be a great host, keep your hotspot. That's the largest, or that's the most impactful, that's the most amazing thing of this website, of this company, these guys that get rewarded for keeping your hotspot online with our host to own guarantee. We will transfer the ownership of your hotspot to you after 500 days of uptime. So guys, after 500 consecutive days, the ownership of the hotspot will be transferred to you, to your name, and that's really amazing. That's really amazing, guys. So yeah, that's all, guys. You can follow these Twitter handles to get notified as soon as they have HNT hotspots in their inventory, and you will get them as soon as you apply, if you have a good location and area to set that up. So yeah, guys, that's amazing opportunity for you guys right here. You have to just wait for them to get some Helium miners in their inventory, and then you are set up for success. And HNT price will increase in future, as we all know, so you will be gaining much more revenue, much more profits per month, and it can also decrease in short term, but let's see, that's just another case, another part of the story, and we are not gonna go into it in this video. But yeah, that's just it, guys. I wanted to show you this website, this amazing website. As I'm not living in USA, I can't apply for a free miner. So yeah, I just if I'm not able to get a free miner, I thought my lovely people can grab this amazing opportunity and profit of this opportunity for months and years ahead. So that's it guys, that's it for this video. And if you liked even a little bit part of this video, even a little bit moment of this video made you feel good, made you feel that you gained some knowledge, you gained some resourceful content, just please do give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel guys. Please do subscribe to my channel for more amazing content regularly and more crypto based content on daily basis. So that's it guys, that's it for this video. I hope to see you on my next video soon. Be happy guys, stay safe, keep mining, keep making profits, stay wealthy. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.